Hey, Internet.
Well, Josh Drzelecki, that's Polish. Boy, you've got a fast connection here.
Whoa, who are you?
I'm the Internet, but you can call me Webbles.
Well, nice to meet you, Webbles.
Oh, thanks. Good to meet you too, Josh. What can I help you with?
Webbles, I'm looking for things on wisdom.
Yeah, the side effects of losing your wisdom teeth, I can help you with that. There's like 6 videos back here. What can I...
Keep scrolling. I want to learn about wisdom.
Oh, yeah, sure. Cats can't taste sweet, and Hawaiian pizza was invented in 1962. NBA players run as much as 4 miles during a game.
No, I want to learn more about wisdom and how to make the right choices.
Oh, well, let's see. We can go to your Aunt Susie's Facebook page. She's got a lot of opinions there. We can go to Etsy. There's some cross-stitch wisdom. Eat, pray, love. We can go to the book of Proverbs, as written by the wisest man in the world.
The book of Proverbs?
Yeah.
Well, tell me more about that.
Well, let's see. It was written by King Solomon. What else do you want to know?
Now, King Solomon, he's the one who asked God for wisdom, right?
Yeah. Famous story. God said, I'll give you one thing, and King Solomon asked for wisdom.
Wow, and so what does the book of Proverbs say about making the right choices?
Well, let's see, it says a lot. Let's cram through. Proverbs 3:6 says, seek his will in all you do, and he will show you which path to take.
Seek his will.
Seek whose will? What are we talking about?
I think you're talking about God's will.
God's will or Kanye's will? Because he has a lot of opinions too, you know.
No, not Kanye, because you were saying that Proverbs is a book of wisdom. It's not advice, it's wisdom that we can use in our lives. So what you're saying is that the book of Proverbs that talks all about wisdom tells me that my wisdom doesn't come from earthly knowledge, that it comes from God.
Yeah, well,
so if I'm wanting to make the right choices, I just need to seek God's will. I need to seek him out.
Yeah, but the Bible won't tell you that roller coasters can help you pass kidney stones.
No, but what the Bible will tell me is that wisdom doesn't come from a magic 8-ball, or it doesn't come from famous celebrities' tweets or anything like that. It comes from God. So if I want to make the right choices in life, I don't need to trust on myself. I need to trust in God and follow his will and seek out what he has to say about making that choice.
That would be the wisest
Webbles,
choice.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. You've helped so much.
Definitely.
Have a great day.
Oh, yeah, sure. You want to scroll through Instagram some? I got some great videos. Where'd my desktop background go?